Let me start this off by praising my Lord, straight peace on the mic, no hate, I'm comfy. Life so calm, still aiming for Jannah. Trap star life, don't chat about jumpy. Fives on the daily, praise to the most high. Acts when I roll deep, never mind prayer time. Chasing the roadside, holding the 4-5. How you on the streets when your dean is a gold man, bro? Stop losing it, no praise in your life, come true with it. See your mind's full of game, no shame for your name or the fame that you claim is a waste, so please stop proving it. Ain't worth it. Jump in a mosque and worship. Got a Lord full of mercy, sinners be grateful. Hands in the air when your plans ain't working.
When it gets on top and I'm feeling down, I increase my worship. Gotta check myself, check my deeds and earnings. Even after that, I can't be certain. Coming Allah puts me through a fitna. It's to heal up my wounds from hurting. I never understood how that works, but it strengthens my purpose.
Alright then, flip and reverse it. Ain't no benefits around you're earning. Quite concerning. Acts on the road with a wax and burst it. Stop and reverse it. So much hype on the road, no time for your Lord. It's a joke where you're learning. Man still lurking out on the block selling bricks and burning. Hollering chicks in the whips and chirps it. It's prayer time now, wash them sins, come pray your salah. Turn to your Lord when you hear the azan. Now wake up my G, set the alarm. Too busy in a bando, trapped in the yard. When you're down in the grave, it's only you in the dark. So fix up now, clear them sins. Pray to your Lord for a brand new path.
I never knew this path would bring so much inner peace. I was trying to chase it outside. I was down for the block anytime, but the block weren't down for me, but I tried. Now for other things I'll think twice, but if it's for the deen I'll ASAP ride. They don't understand the word jihad, our biggest enemy is our pride. Whatever you're doing, it's just five. If you got time for this and that, time for the trap, then you must have 5 minutes for the mat and reciting your ayats. How many pillars of Islam? That's 5. Yeah, money if I met, but what's worse, would you want to be in debt when you die? Our deeds will leave with us from this life.
My bro, what you dreaming? Lost in the game, then you trapped in the system. Blinded by evil, power on business. Matter of time, you're an enemy's hit list. Trap star life, is that how you lived it? So many signs for a change, but you had no faith in your heart for Islam. Now you're finding it hard, so you're overly whelmed by his mercy and wisdom. Now what you telling me? Devil's in your head like, bro, who's your enemy? Friends come and go, but Allah will never leave. Seeking for guidance, pray for a better dream. So, don't chat to me about ounce and kilos, benders and ballers. I stop rollies, waps and borers. All of that's worthless causes.